know exactly what's going on down here, but it looks like something bad may have happened. I can't quite tell what that vehicle is. I'm zooming in. It almost looks like a piece fell off a truck or something, but I can't make it out. This is not good. I'm thinking we better stay off the roads. We'll zoom back out, give you a little context about where it is in position to us. Right down the road. And zoom back in. And we'll see if we can see anything happening. I can only imagine that they're not very happy. Oops, sorry about that. Jostling. People heading out. Giving up, perhaps, on this situation as not being redeemable. News reports coming to you live here from Apple Bottom Place.